Hey guys, I'm Sam and I want to welcome you to the Repco Bolt-On Build Hilux giveaway. We've all got a wish list of modifications, upgrades and accessories that we'd love to bolt onto our pride and joy. The reality is that sometimes this list can be so long that we don't even know where to start. Well, great news. Over the next 9 weeks, we're going to be bolting on a huge range of market-leading accessories and products to this 2017 SR5 Toyota Hilux. We're going to show you day by day how you can take your 4x4 and transform it into a vehicle that's ready for your next big weekend adventure. Where did we get all these parts from? From repco.com.au. Each week we'll be bolting on everything you could imagine to make this the ultimate Hilux. We're going to start with an Enduro Pro 2-inch suspension lift kit. Then we're going to bolt on a rival alloy front bar, full underbody armour kit, GME in-car UHF, Blackview dash cam, an EVC throttle controller, custom seat covers and floor mats. We're going to give it a service with Repco filters and Penrite oils, a full brake upgrade kit from Bendix, some awesome driving lights from Nava, a tag tow bar system. We're going to throw on some Goodyear all-terrains, and then to finish it off, we'll bolt on some roof racks from ProRack and a DriveTech 4x4 awning. Then it'll be time for a top to bottom detail, including a ceramic coating with the team at AutoGlim. The best part is at the end of this, we're going to be giving it away to one lucky Repco Online customer. To put it simply, purchase anything online at repco.com.au during this build series and you'll automatically go in the draw to win this Hilux. Make sure you keep up to date with the builds on Facebook and Instagram at Repco Australia. If you want to see the full T's and C's and to start filling your cart, head to repco.com.au.